Hi everyone, my name is Robert. Today I will show you a simple trick how to use this rectangular plane in order to create a roof tile. And we are using just the simple default tools such as the bevel, the extrusion and the simple move tools as well. For reference, we are using a Sketchfab model, so this is a roof tile. Now you can see the channels and the grooves on the top. On the bottom side we have those nibs which are hooking into the roof battens. This is a Marley style roof tile. First of all, we are using this rectangular as the shape of our tile, and the profile is very simple, just using vertex, edge and face selection mode in order to create this profile. And after that, extrusion helps us to create the basic shape. I'm constantly switching from object to edit mode, so be careful. And also I'm using the snapping tool as well. To create the roof profile, we need loop cuts. So enjoy the modeling process. This value at the bottom reduces the weight of the tile and also helps the insulation as well. we're gonna add texture to this roof tile, but this time procedural method. It means we are adding just the nodes and connecting them. So first of all, we added the noise texture, color ramp, and the mix node, mix color node, and we have to connect them properly in order to have the right texture. Adjust the settings really quickly, and that's it.